Today, the world has officially recognized 173 million cases of COVID-19 globally. Many people have heard about the mRNA vaccine, but what does this mean and how does it actually work? COVID-19 is a virus caused by the SARS-CoV-2 that contains a positive strand RNA genome surrounded in an envelope. The spike code proteins on its surface binds to the angiotensin covering enzyme receptors on human cells, letting it infect the host, us. Therefore, the vaccine creates these proteins. Before we get started about the mechanism behind the vaccine, let's understand the immune system. When a foreign pathogen enters the body, antigen-presenting cells engulf the pathogen and present the signaling molecules on its plasma membrane. An example is macrophages, a cell that performs phagocytosis to engulf the pathogens, present antigens, and then initiate inflammation by releasing cytokines. Then the helper T cell binds to the macrophage on the antigen, initiating one of two stages, the cell-mediated or the humoral immune response. The humoral response is when the helper T cell activates B cells. B cells first differentiate into plasma B cells and memory B cells. Plasma B cells release antibodies to bind to the pathogen to cause neutralization, lysis, or phagocytosis. An antibody consists of two regions, the variable and constant region. Different genes code for different proteins, resulting in different variable regions. Once the right antibody binds to the foreign antigen, the memory B cells, typically found in the bone marrow, produced earlier, store these antibodies in its plasma membrane, a phospholipid bilayer that surrounds the cell, for future defenses. The other response includes the cell-mediated immunity, which is when the helper T cells activate cytotoxic T cells. These release a protein called porphyrin that forces the infected cell to perform apoptosis. In the COVID-19 vaccine specifically, is targeted towards the humoral response. The immune system can train itself against the pathogen with the vaccine so that the memory cells store the information on how to defeat the pathogen when it really comes around. The mRNA vaccine for the COVID-19 injects the mRNA code into the body so that the viral proteins are produced in the body. Then, the immune system can fight these proteins to be prepared for the real virus. The one dose allows the immune system to find the antigens, while the second dose trains the immune system to fight against the harder dose. Understanding COVID-19 and its vaccine will help young scientists to explore the medical field and develop new vaccines to prevent pandemics in the future. Thanks for watching.